How to add door access card to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you add door access card to your iPhone. So let's get started. For this, you'll have to install third-party application from App Store as it is legal and valid. After you open App Store, in the search field, search for NFC tools. And from here, you'll have to install the application nfc.cool from here. After install it, you'll have to open that. And from here, after you open, you'll get this type of interface. From here, if you want to add door access card, tap on the option read NFC. And from here, as usual, you'll have to just scan your NFC or door card. For that, you'll have to scan your door access card with your NFC app. After you scan your door access card, you'll be able to add that door access feature on your Apple Wallet. If you see any feature like add to Apple Wallet, tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll be able to add that door access card on your Apple Wallet. And from there, you can easily scan or use that door access card to your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.